If you're ambitious, you run the risk of burnout. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about how to avoid burnout in your business as a CEO. The most important thing about avoiding burnout in your business is to always remember to work with purpose. You want to be in alignment with why you're here, with your big dream and your big mission. If you're going to work every day and doing things that you hate, you're gonna increase your risk of being just burned out. Creating a life you love and creating a business you love is all about doing the things that you love on a day-to-day basis. Working and doing your sole purpose is a big part of that. And so you wanna delegate the tasks that you hate to other people, preferably people that love those tasks. There's gonna be things that you're gonna hate to do. Just because you hate them doesn't mean someone else doesn't love them. Delegate those tasks to someone who loves doing those tasks. That way we all rise up together. We all get to do what we love. Make sure you are making time to do the things that you love. Make time for self-care. The reason that we work to live, not live to work. So you want to make time for the things that make you happy and bring you joy. The things that take care of you so that you are able to continue to go out and fulfill your mission in the world. And if you're feeling stuck, you need to change your environment. Move to a new location, even if it's just as simple as moving to the other side of your desk, or moving from your office to your dining room for a bit, or sitting in the chair in your office instead of at your desk, moving to a different place to film videos instead of typing at your computer. Just change your environment a little. Move to a new location. That helps. Switching it up throughout the day helps avoid the grind. That is what leads to that burnout. And remember to unplug. Step away from technology. Step away from social media. Step away from your business every week, every day. Make sure you are unplugging and taking time to rest, relax, and recharge yourself. You are not going to build a multi-million-dollar business overnight. Just like Rome was not built in a day, you are not going to build your empire in a day. So it's okay to stop and unplug and take the time that you need to rest and recharge so that you're able to be in it for the long haul. Entrepreneurship is a long game. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what more you would like to know about designing a business that you love. While you're down there, don't forget to get your subscribe on so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.